Good morning friends, today it's 21st of April 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. So we have seen that Nifty 50 index has witnessed a sharp recovery this month from the lows of 21,743 to end the last week at 23,872 levels. That is, it has gained 9.75% from the lows, and in this process it has formed a kind of double bottom on a weekly time frame at around 21,750, which indicates a decent support for the bulls on a short-term time frame. Positionally, the index is approaching towards the crucial resistance zone. 24,250, 24,500 is expected to act as an important hurdle which can be tested later this week and thereafter can witness a pause come profit taking. Technically, in short to mid-term time frame, 22,800, 22,500 zone should act as a decent crucial cushion for the bulls, and any dips in this zone can provide a better risk-reward ratio for fresh long bets. For the coming week, Nifty spot 23,500 can be looked as a silver line between bulls and bears. Till the time it is trading over and above 23,500 mark, the bias remains in favor of bulls for the potential target of 24,250 and higher. Contra trading short hedged bets can be looked at around 24,200 and higher levels for this series. In respect of the Bank Nifty futures, it has outperformed Nifty 50 and gained almost 5.3% this month compared to Nifty plus 1.4%. The Bank Nifty has given a fresh weekly all-time high closing last week at around 54,290 levels, and the index is expected to find a short-term pause come profit taking at a higher levels of around 54,800 or extended 56,000 levels, which remains a positional target come resistance, from where we can once again expect the index to retest the lows of 53,000 and lower levels. So dips can be looked as an opportunity for fresh trading long bets for higher highs, but for the coming week 53,000 can be looked as a silver line between bulls and bears. So till the time 53,000 is being held, or initially any kind of dip toward those levels can be looked for buying, keeping a stop below 52,500 odd levels. While on the higher end, the potential target come resistance remains at 54,800 and 56,000 levels, which can act as a strong resistance come profit taking levels. Overall, Nifty 50 can continue to be the range to positive outlook in spite of Bank Nifty can witness profit taking at higher levels, because we have seen some bottom buying in sectors like IT, FMCG and other, which can keep the index within a range to positive outlook. Overall, we believe that broadly the changes in micro and macro level and developments are positive for Indian market in a longer run, and thus dips should be looked for buying quality counters for investment purpose. For the day today, Nifty futures supports will be 23,600 and 23,450 levels, which can be looked for intraday buying, keeping a stop of 50 odd points, while move towards 24,000 and 24,150 should act as a resistance and selling levels. For Bank Nifty futures, which ended last week at 54,223 levels, the broader range can be 53,500 to 55,000 zone, with a buy on dip outlook at around 53,700 or 53,450, keeping a stop of 100 odd points, while move towards 54,750 and 55,050 can be looked for contra trading short bets with a strict stop losses. Overall, we can expect a range bound session after a strong up move last week in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, posed with buy on dip outlook. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.